Hi everyone, is your Microsoft Print to PDF not working or missing in Windows 11? So let's see how you can get it back in the most easiest way. To get started, simply search for Windows features. You'll get the option of turn Windows features on or off. Simply click on it. Now here scroll down a bit and you'll get the option of Microsoft Print to PDF. If it is unchecked, simply check mark it and click on OK. And wait for the changes to complete. Once done, close this window and restart your computer. After restart, if you go to printers and scanners, you will see that Microsoft Print to PDF will be back. However, if this is not working, then proceed ahead with the next method. Simply download this file from the link given in the video description and extract it with the help of WinRAR or 7-zip. Now simply cut this folder, go to this PC, go to C drive and paste it here. Once done, search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now go to the video description and copy this command line from there. Paste it in the CMD window and hit enter to execute it. Once the drivers are successfully added, close everything and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restart, search for Windows features and click on Turn Windows features on or off. Now scroll down and simply check mark Microsoft Print to PDF and save the change. And now if you go to printers and scanners, you will see Microsoft Print to PDF will be back again. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.